So, are you ready to step into your serpentine power? Today, it's all about Diva snake arms, and this is the most dramatic form of snake arms. Snakes are often connected to powerful female goddesses, and so I hope you enjoy this very potent practice. Are the basis for sensual snake arms, mesmerizing snake arms, and those flirty snake arms, which we'll cover in future videos. So let's begin by lifting the heel of one leg to give yourself curves. Make sure your chest is open and round your shoulders back and down. Bring your thumb and middle finger in towards each other and spread out the other fingers. Keep this pretty hand shape throughout your practice. Now begin to gently roll your shoulders back. This is a natural movement, not a forced one. So just lift the shoulder and allow it to drop down to your back, alternating left and right. Now notice how this sensual move causes a natural ripple in the arms. Just allow this flow to happen. Diva arms connect the honey pot, which is our hips, lower belly and pelvis, to the power of the universe, which is above us. So we need to claim all that space from the universe above us right down to our honey pot, our center of potency. Now lift the shoulder and allow it to drop down behind you. Then lift the arm from the elbow, your wrist points up in a V shape. Then reverse it. The V shape in the wrist points down, your fingers point up. Caress the air as the elbow leads the movement. Shoulder rolls back and drops. The arm lifts. Feel that connection between the potency of the creative energy in your honey pot and the universe above you. For more traditional snake arms, you can bend the elbow more and only lift the arm as far as the shoulder, just like the inset picture. Diva arms were making a longer, more elegant giant C shape. Let's go to the other side. For traditional snake arms, use a more pronounced bend in the elbow and only travel up as far as the shoulder. You can see the difference in the two styles on screen. Of course, it's your choice, but the C shape is sometimes so much easier for beginners, so that's a good place to start. Now roll the shoulder back and down, lift with the elbow and keep a V shape in the wrist. The shoulder back and down, lift with the elbow and keep a V shape in the wrist. It's a great idea to drill one arm at a time. This really helps when we put them together. So choose either traditional snake arms as in the inset or longer, more elegant diva lines. Take your time, alternate the arms slowly and enjoy the long, elegant curved shape connecting your honey pot to the universe above. Alternating does take a bit of practice, and the key to cracking snake arms is to practice one arm at a time. Do that until it becomes second nature, then put the arms together. So feel free to work the beginning of this video to really crack each arm individually. Quite often when I'm dancing, I'll switch it up between the longer diva arms and traditional snake arms. Just adds a bit of interest and variety. So let's add a walk. Put one foot in front of the other and curve your hip in towards the screen. Then do the same with the other foot and hip. As you walk, lift the same side arm as the stepping foot, so you are layering these diva snake arms on top of your curves. Take your time, move slowly, gracefully, accentuating all those gorgeous, elegant curves. Okay, let's do that again. So ready? Make a gorgeous, glamorous entrance. Feel centered and empowered as you step out in the archetype of the Queen with regal elegance. So we're playing with the element of air here. We're feeling expansive, ethereal, and open to receiving new inspiration, new ideas. So claim the space around you. Notice what it feels like to expand. So you're no longer playing small or safe. Just know that you're an elegant, mysterious, gorgeous diva. Feel free to alternate between diva and traditional snake arms to add that touch of mystery. So keep an eye out for the next videos in the series where we'll build on the foundations we've learnt here to create sensual, mesmeric and flirty variations on the snake arms. Create beautiful shapes and notice how it makes you feel. Relaxed, regal, mysterious and empowered.